Okay, let's simplify the following sort 1 and 2. Please, their patterns are different. So when you watch number 1, endure to watch the video to the end so that you can be able to pick it. First, let's simplify 8. 8 will be 4 times 2. At the end, you are going to have 2 sort 2. So that means we're going to have 1 over sort 2 plus 1 over 2 sort 2 equals to the common denominator, which is the lowest common multiple of the two denominator, is going to be 2 sort 2. 2 sort 2 come here, we are going to have 2. 2 times 1, we have 2. Put your plus here. Then 2 sort 2 divided by 2 sort 2, you are going to have 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So then 2 plus 1 is 3. All over 2 sort 2. Then rationalize by multiplying it by sort 2. So at the end, we are going to have 3 times sort 2. We'll be having a 3 sort 2. And 2, this is this 2. Sort 2 times sort 2, we're going to have 2. And this will give us 3 sort 2 all over 4 as the final answer for number 1. Then number 2. Okay, let's simplify number 2. We are going to open the bracket, sort 5 minus 2 sort 10. You close the bracket, open another one, sort 5 minus 2 raised to power sort 10. Close the bracket because there is square here. That's why we have 2 places. At the end, we are going to multiply this by this. Multiplication. We also multiply it also by this. Okay, if we multiply this by this first, we're going to have 5. We have a 5 because sort 5 times sort 5, you have 5. Okay, now sort 5 times 2 sort 10, we're going to have minus 2 sort 50. Okay, now we multiply this first. Sort 2, 2 sort 10 times sort 5. We are going to have minus 2 sort 50 also. And finally, this multiplied by this. We are going to have 4 plus 4 sort 100. Let me bring everything closer to this place. At the end, you are going to have 5 plus, okay, sorry. You're going to have, at the end, you are going to have 5 minus, there are 2 minus there, minus 2 sort 50, minus 2 sort 50. To add them together, you have 4 sort 50. Okay, then plus 4 times 10. Close the bracket because the square root of 100 is 10. At this point, equals to, I'm going to have 5 plus 40. Where do I get 40? 4 times 10 is 40. So I bring it closer to this. Then minus this, 4 sort 50. Let's simplify it further. We have 45 minus 4 sort 25 times 2. At the end, we are going to have 45 minus 20 sort 2. How do we get 20? The square root of 25 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So we are now left with 45 minus 20 sub 2. If you like this video, I'd like you to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel so that when I post similar video, you have access to it. Thank you very much.